want to change your life.
Most people don't really do self-improvement, they only consume it. They watch some videos, they feel motivated, they feel like they are productive, but their life stay the same. If that feels a bit too real, stay till the end, because I will explain why modern day self-improvement often changes into mental masturbation and how to finally escape that trap. Part 1. What self-improvement really is. Self-improvement isn't just going to the gym or thinking positive thoughts. Self-improvement is about maxing every part of your life. It's the process of upgrading your life. It means like your mental health, your body, how you take care of yourself, how you respond to people, how you act when shit goes down, and even in a business side, even on how you approach girls. It's self-improvement, maxing every part of your life. Real self-improvement is about being more capable in every area that actually matters. The mistake most people do, they are focusing only on one thing. They train their body, but don't train their mind. They work on mindset and avoid action, or they dream about money without building the real life skill. When one part is weak, everything collapses. Part 2. The problem with modern self-improvement. Today, self-improvement is everywhere. Maybe that sounds good, but that creates a big problem. Your brain starts to confuse learning with doing. You watch video about discipline and suddenly you feel productive. Even though nothing changes in your day, your brain still gets the dopamine. It feels rewarded. So the next day, you repeat the same cycle. Another video, another quote, another podcast. You only consume it. This is where self-improvement becomes a mental masturbation. It feels good in the moment, but creates no results. Part 3. Why this is so dangerous? The dangerous part is not that you waste time. The dangerous part is that lie you start believing. You tell yourself you're changing your life, but you're just watching someone talking about their story. And without taking notes, without the breakdown of that video, it's the same like watching TikTok and this. It feels different, it feels like you are productive, but it is still the dopamine. Your brain loves comfort. If you don't control it, it will always pick the easy way. Watching video is easy, but taking action is uncomfortable. And without strict rules, comfort always wins. That's why most people know everything about success, mindset and discipline, but have nothing to show for it. Part 4. Fight Club explanation. This is why self-improvement is surprisingly explained in that film Fight Club. I will divide this part into few rules. The first rule is so simple. You must leave your comfort zone. Nothing changes when you stay comfortable. Growth only starts when you feel uncomfortable, risky or painful. Second rule is even more powerful. Create your own Tyler. Not the movie character, but the version of yourself that will always choose the hard way, that will choose for you what's the best and what's the uncomfortable thing, what's the thing that will move you forward to your goals. Create the version that is not afraid of failure, that is not afraid to ask that fucking girl about her number. Create that version that is not afraid of the change. In difficult moments, ask yourself one question. What would my best version do right now? Question mark. And then do that. Even when you don't feel like it, bro. There is one more rule from film Fight Club that I need to mention. Stop identifying with comfort and possessions. Stop building your identity around easy pleasure. When you are not afraid of being uncomfortable, you are hard to control. So change the environment you're right now. Change the people that are like parasites to you. Part 5. How to stop mental masturbation. If you want to escape this cycle, you need rules. strict rules. One powerful rule is so simple. If you consume, you must act. If you watch something about discipline, do something hard the same day. If you watch something about money or about building a real life skill, do something about it in that day. No actions means no more content. Every time you watch some content, write everything down. Even when you are watching this fucking video, write everything what I'm telling you. Less motivation, more execution. How I said, after you consume, write everything down on your paper, to your notes, use whatever you want, just write everything important down. At the end of each day, ask yourself one question. What did I actually do that moved my life forward? Self-improvement is not entertainment. It's a responsibility. Used correctly, it can completely change your life, completely change the way you think, how you look, and completely change your bank account to good. Or maybe used incorrectly, it will make you stuck while feeling productive. Now you know the difference. But the hard part, what will you do about it? If you want more content like this, if you want help, or if you want advices how to become a better version of yourself, subscribe and see ya!